am Brian English, foreign name Hyperbytes, and in this module of Introduction to Wappler Extensions, Part 6, we're going to be looking at DataPickers and Schemas. If we go back into our server action that we're using before and just look at actually what my module outputs, what I'll do is I'll just look at set value stage. Now what I want to do is to add the value of that action, my first module, to our to that value there. So I'm going to click, and rather disappointingly you will see that we actually don't have any entry in the picker to allow us to pick from that, which would actually make that module pretty useless. And the reason is that we need to activate that data picker. We've got to add a statement to say that a data picker object has to be true. So if I go into my HJSON, I'm just going to copy that in from another screen because it's going to save time. But we need to add the statement data pick object true. And that will allow that data pick object to appear when you click on the picker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just quickly restart Wappler so you can see that in action. And then we're going to look at adding a schema. Okay, so I've now rebooted Wappler. I'm going to click on that set value stage again, and I'm going to go on the picker, and now we do see my first module appears, so we could select the content of that. But it would be kind of nice to have a schema, wouldn't it? So how do I add a schema? Well, again, really easy. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to input a definition of a schema. I'm just going to copy and paste it in there for you, and I'll talk you through it rather than watching my lousy typing. What we add is data scheme, square brackets, and then we just define it as we would define a variable, but with only two parameters: the name and the data type. We could, if we want, just add comma and then add another data scheme in there. Let's say second record, and build up the schema as we want. But I'm just going to use one at this stage. Let's keep things simple, early days. We need to get that comma gone. So there's our data scheme. I'm going to save that. I'm just going to do another quick restart, and let's have a look at what the result of that change is. Okay, so I've performed a restart. Let's have a look in our set value stage again. And now, as you'll see, we have a pickable object called first record. But how on earth does Wappler know what goes in there? Well, that's when we move over now to our JS file, and we tell it what is going to be contained within that first record option. So let's pop into our JS, and at the moment we're just returning data. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make some JSON here. I'm going to copy the name I defined here, first record, colon, and then I'm going to return not just data, but I'm going to return data 0, because I want to return the first record in that data set, which obviously is object now item number 0. Don't need to do anything else on that, so let's just save that, and we should now be able to actually use that. So I'm just going to select first record, stick on output, save that. Let's fire that up in our browser. There we see that we've got our module output, which is the first record, and we can see that that's been inherited over to our set value stage demo, showing that what we've done, very simple server action. We've taken a query and we've returned the first item from that query. So that's how we use schemas. That's how we get that data picker working, and I'll leave that at this stage now, and I hope to see you in module 6.